Hello. So right now we are working in Vellore MG car showroom. Actually, it is. So MG car showroom. We are installing drywall panel. The project is almost over. So we are doing finalizing work, joint putty, fiber mesh applying. We are also eagerly waiting to see final work with beautiful MG cars. Actually, the complete contract is owned by some other company. We are just taking care of drywall panel installation only. So whenever I come back to Vellore, I definitely will come here in MG showroom and look the final output of the showroom. So hereafter people is going to do gypsum putty over all the drywall panels. So after gypsum putty work, the wall panel will look exactly like a conventional wall. No one can identify it as it is a drywall panel. So if anyone interested in such projects, if anyone wants to install drywall panels, or anyone wants to create any construction by using drywall panels, AAC panels, EPS panels, kindly please call me to my number I displayed in the shots. Thank you.